Hello friends, today our topic is fundamental skills of badminton. Fundamental means basic or forming a necessary base is called fundamental. Skills, the ability to do something well is called skills of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called off. Badminton, a game with the rackets in which shuttlecock is hit back and forth across a net, is called badminton. Fundamental skills of badmintons or as listed below. Fundamental means basic or forming a necessary base. Skills, the ability of do something well. Badminton, a game with the rackets in which shuttlecock is hit back and forth across a net. Listed, marked below as under. Grip of the racket means a grip is a way of holding the racket in order to hit shots during match is called grip of the racket. Wrist plays an important role in badminton because each and every stroke can possible only with the grip of racket. Wrist plays an important role in badminton means badminton wrist action is extremely important in producing powerful shots. Good wrist movement maximizes the power and improves control on the shot. Because each and every stroke can possible only with the grip of racket means if the holding of the racket is good, then the power of any badminton shot comes from how well you perform your strokes. If racket is properly gripped, each and every stroke can be played by a player easily. Means basically a stroke is the swing motion of your racket arm. It is not a badminton shot. Stance. Stance means badminton stance refers the way you stand when retrieving certain shots from your opponent. What it is important if you want to improve your skills. Stance also plays in an important role while playing badmintons. Means ready position is the stance position that you want to reach before your opponent hits the shuttlecock. The player should stand with the feet apart, left foot little ahead of the right foot. Means place your racket foot forward, non-racket foot at the back. Place your racket in front of your body, slightly above waist height. The weight of the body is on the rear foot, means a body relative mass is on the back part of the foot, on the heel. The racket is taken well back, the elbow slightly bent and wrist cocked for the hit. Means the racket is taken joint between forearm and the upper arm, changed by bending out of an originally straight and cocking the wrist means to angle it such that the muscles at the underside of your elbow is fully extended. Service. The service is the shot that starts a play or rally. There are two types of shot Or service means send the shuttlecock to opponent court to begin the rally. Means when the server is serving even points, he must stand in the right hand half of his service court. When the server is serving odd points, he must stand in the left hand half. There are two types of service. Means in badminton there are two kinds of services. Long service. Long service means the purpose of long service is to hit it diagonally like tennis all the way to the baseline of the other side, particularly for singles. A long service is usually delivered in single game, means there is no problem with the shuttle hitting the net on a server along as it then lands inside the boundaries of the court. Short service means short service is a 6 feet 6 inch behind the net that marks the point beyond which a server in badminton must travel. A short service falls just close to the short service line is called short service. Means the short service line is the line adjacent the net at the front of the court. This type of service is performed in double game only. Mostly short service is carried out in double game. Footwork. The badminton footwork is a method of moving on the court. Badminton foot is a very important basic technology for playing the game. A good player usually covers all sides of the court in one step from the center. Means it consists of stepping, crossover, stride, dog trot and jumping. Each set of footwork is generally started from the center of the court. Position of the receivers means a receiver stands inside service court on the opposite right side facing the net. Partners may stand anywhere on either side providing they do not block the view of the receiver. The position of the receiver is efficient that he can back the service in good way. Means some part of the both feet of the server and the receiver shall remain in contact with the surface of the court in a stationary positions. Forehand lift or stroke means the forehand is a shot made by swinging the racket across one's body with the hand moving palm first. Most forehands are hit with topspin because it helps to keep the shuttle from landing outside of the court. Forehand lift or stroke is played from the right side of the body. Means a forehand shot is any shot that is done on the racket side of the body or on the top of head, and it is performed with the forehand grip. Backhand lift or stroke. Backhand lift means backhand means hitting the shuttle with your racket while the back of your hand is facing the shuttle. This is very unique shot in any racket sports. Backhand lift or stroke is played from the left side of the body. Means this stroke is usually performed when your opponent hits a badminton drop to your backhand area at the front of the court. Smash. Smash means in badminton, smash is most potent of all badminton shots. There is almost no defense against a well executed smash. Smash is an attacking stroke to stop the rally, means it can be played both on forehand and backhand sides to stop the services. In this in this stroke, the shuttlecock is powerfully hit in the downward directions and gives no chance to the opponent player to return the shuttlecock back. Means the smash is a shot hit with power and speed downward to your opponent court. Gives no chance means the smash is one of the most commonly used shots in badminton. It is a quick, powerful shot hit from high up downwards and aimed at the opponent's court. Hop smash. Hop smash means the hop smash is a great shot. If you use it correctly, it is first variation of the smash is the hop smash. Hop smash is also an attacking stroke. In this type of stroke, the shuttlecock travels very fast in on half court but lands close to the net in opposite side of the court. Means hop smash is most explosive shot. In this type of shuttlecock very fast in on court means smashing with half your strength, and what this does that makes it hard for your opponent to get used to your smashing, sometimes losing control and defending the shuttle under the net or high enough for you to do the net kill. Drop. Drop means it is used when the shuttle is heading towards you in the back court. As an attempt to this stroke, the player must hit downward. The closer the shuttle drops to the net, drops fall close to the net in the opponent side, mean the shuttlecock drop close to the opponent court. It also known as hairpin drop means shot made from below and very close to the net with the shuttle rising just clearing the net and then dropping sharply down the other side is called hairpin drop. It makes inverted U shape, means put up side down in servers place their racket above the waist followed by a U-shaped swing to send the shuttle high up towards the receiver's baseline. Tap. Tap means net kills or shots taken from the forecourt. It traveled down steeply towards your opponent's side is called tap. In a tap, a rising shuttlecock returns back close to net by stepping ahead, placing the racket in the path of the shuttlecock. Means top players learns to disguise their shots and try to trick the opponent into the thinking they are about to hit and one type of shot. Placing the racket in the path of shuttlecock means keep the racket in the way of the objects that struck back and forth in badminton. Thus, shuttlecock lands close to net in opponent court, means due to tap, the shuttlecock falls touching the top of the net portion and falls in the opponent court. Flat return or drive means a flat and fast drive is useful in getting the shuttle behind your opponent, potentially causing them to make weak return. Flat return or drive is forehead stroke in which shuttlecock hit hard but at low height, means when performing a drive shot the shuttle will pass very close to net and not raise too high. Thanks and have a nice day.